Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your windscreen wipers on the rear side of your Dacia Sandero Stepway. First step, go to the rear side. And here we are. Here's a lever of the wiper. The wiper is hosted with one bolt. This we have to remove, not the bolt we have to remove, the this part with the rubbers on top we have to remove first. For this, grab it and then pull it out of the hub easily. Yeah, here we are. Job's done. That it is. It's really easy, but take care. Do not break the lever itself on your rear side of your Dacia Sandero. Here you can see the bolt. This bolt is the lock if you are now going to install a new one. Where we have to install it? On the rear side, of course, but in this direction, as you can see, because of the cover. You can see the cover is matches like this. And how we can assemble it easily. Only push it back in position and job's done. It's really easy. You can handle this. You will not need any shop for it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.